All right, everybody. Hey, thanks a lot for coming in on box 3 of our giveaways on our 2015 Topps Chrome. It's not a giveaway. Everybody's paying $5 a team. Random teams tonight. This guy back behind me who has been very patient with me tonight, that's Connor. And we are breaking random team $5 boxes of this fantastic product that everybody liked last year, and it's got great stuff in it. We've pulled some good stuff already, but not the things that everybody might be looking for. So we're gonna give it another shot. We're on box 3, and let's see here. We've got everybody that's on this break. That's not it. We got everybody who's on this break right here on random.org. And because I'm just a little bit anal, I'm going to clean this up.
What does that mean?
Nothing. And
okay.
And let's see here. This is everybody. So you can see who you're on there. I'm just going to scroll through this really quick just so you can see.
Dang, one person bought a lot.
Yeah, that's what I was missing. I had him short 2. I had him short 2.
This one, Brian W., is that Brian Watson? Probably.
Probably. Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, we don't have anybody. We don't have any, like, two Brian W's tonight or anything like that. So.
Rangers take the lead.
What?
He told me Rangers take the lead.
Oh, Rangers took the lead.
Thank
okay.
God.
All right, we're going to randomize 5 times. Let's see here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We take this number right here. We take these. Copy. We go over here. We're going to go over the old ones. And there are our teams for tonight, right here. I am going to take this list and I will put it over on the right side of the page while this is going on. But in the meantime, Connor is going to get started. And I will turn the phone. Oh, it already was on.
Box number 3. Let's try to sell out these last 3 tonight, guys.
Yeah, we got maybe 10 spots or so left on the next box. Oh no, there's less than that. Less than that on box 4. Less than that.
All right. I just got 3 on the 4th box.
Oh, you did? You got 3 on the 4th spot. That's nice. Go. Thank you, Kuba. Thank you, man. That's what I'm going to get to
Future Stars, Rusney Castillo.
Remember, get nice and close.
Yep. I'm doing fine. Here we go. Purple. Kevin Gausman.
Nice.
250 for the O's. Come on, Indians and Mariners. Okay. Indians. Yeah, we might pull Francisco Lindor. He'd be a nice one to get. X-Factor of Trevor May. I should be on this list.
Cubs family, who are you?
We're on box 3.
Yeah, we're on box 3. What Cubs family? Who? Give me a first name and an initial. Hang on just a second, Tony. Okay, go ahead, Connor. Go ahead.
Jim S.
Okay, thank you.
Hunter Strickland, auto for the Giants.
Hey, don't complain, Jim. You're under Stacy's name and you got the Cubs. How's that?
Yes.
You are on this list. You got the best cards in the box. Oh man, you had my heart racing there for a second. This is our first day doing this system.
Hunter Strickland's wife works with my buddy.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool because we just pulled an auto of him. I'm sure that's why you brought it up.
Yeah, that's probably why I brought it up. That's okay. It was funny. It was funny. Let's see what's going on with box 4. Oh, there's only 4. There's only 4 spots left for box 4. Only 4. And that's what I've got. No, I got 5. Dang it. Okay. 4 spots left for box 4. Actually, what I need to do.
Alright. Let's hit this auto. Bring the heat, bring the fire. Alrighty, we'll see what I can do. Finnegan refractor. X-Factor Lorenzo Kane.
Sports left.
Brandon Moss for the Indians. There you go, JB.
There we go.
34 of 150.
Bring the heat, bring the fire. Oh shoot.
What?
Oh, nothing. Okay.
Will you do discounts on 5 and 6 if you don't sell out?
Well, I mean, man, $5 a team is pretty discounted. When we're doing the shipping.
No. Discounts on boxes 5 and 6.
Yeah, I understand. I completely understand what you're saying. Yeah, it's tough when we're already working at a pretty slim inventory. I do appreciate the offer.
He said I'm cheap. Yeah, but we should do like a 1 hour promo code, you know, like he said.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm talking about?
I do know what you're talking about.
Like, put in the code for an hour and it'll give you like
We can do that sometime when we're doing like
a whole bunch.
Pick your team or a half case or something like that. But
We already did the second auto. We have like 4 packs left.
you don't have the second auto yet?
Nope. JJ Hardy. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs left. I mean, you know there's always some one-of-ones left over from people who haven't bought this stuff yet. And Jung Ho Kong to $4.99 auto.
Sweet. That's a nice hit.
Nice one for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Well, bam. Yeah, Randall, we respect that you're cheap. You and everybody else. X-Fractor, Kenny's Vargas, Andrew McCutcheon. Anthony Renato, Dylan Betances, Jose Batista, and Mookie Betts. Addison Russell, Jacoby Ellsbury, Ken Giles, and Chris Archer. Alrighty, recap time. We got blue, Brandon Moss. Purple, Kevin Gosman. We got Hunter Strickland, which is me. Hunter Strickland and Jung Ho Kong.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, guys. Well, that was box number 3. We'll get to box number 4 here as soon as we can sell it out. We only got 4 spots left. Go buy it. It's $5. $5. Go buy it. And we will break it as soon as we can get it done. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll be right back.